This video I will show you how to make stir fry. First we will make veggie stir fry, then we will add chicken to it. For this we need 1 onion, some grated ginger, grated garlic, green chilies to taste, and veggies of course. I'm taking some carrots and mixed bell peppers, mushrooms and mixed beans, which I'm taking 1 can, which is around 520 ml, and some dry fruits, cashews and raisins. To start with make the stir fry, take a pan, add a oil, add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, add garlic into it, some ginger, mix well, then add onions. Cook onions for 3-4 minutes. Once it's released the oil, add cashews and raisins. Cook for a few seconds. Then add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of red chili powder for medium spicy. Then add green chilies to taste. Add mushrooms first because it takes a little time. Then add the bell peppers and the other veggies, the carrots. Mix well with the spices and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add soya sauce as shown. Add some ketchup and Thai chili sauce, which is also known as sweet chili sauce. Sriracha sauce is optional. If you have, add a little bit for taste. Mix all the sauces well into the veggies. Then add beans, which I already washed from I'm using a can beans, which I already washed. Now I'm adding into the stir fry. Mix beans well into the veggies. We need to cook until all the sauces get dried up. It will take 5 to 8 minutes or maximum 10 minutes. Once dry, then stir fry is done well. So your veggie stir fry is ready. To make more healthier, I am adding protein into it. You can use the paneer or tofu. Cut tofu or paneer into a small chunks and just cook 5 minutes in your air fryer or bake them, or you can fry them. Then add into your stir fry. Your healthy stir fry rich in protein and veggies is ready. You can eat this stir fry with the organo rice. The recipe of the organo rice you will find in the link in the description below, or you can also find the organo rice recipe on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the updates on my recipes, and you will find more recipes on my channel. So enjoy this veggie stir fry with the organo rice, and it's very good. Now for the chicken lovers or the meat lovers, keep watching the chicken stir fry. For this I am taking a pan, adding oil and add black pepper into it. And now we need a boneless chicken cut into a small pieces to cook for the stir fry. Add chicken, cook a little bit, then add salt to taste. Mix well, then add some soya sauce. We need not to add more spices into the chicken because the chicken will take the spices from the stir fry. So we just need to add a little bit of soya sauce to give the color, a little salt and the black pepper. When we add the soya sauce, the chicken will release a little water. So we need to cook the chicken until all the water dries up. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes to cook the chicken. Keep on stirring the chicken, and then in 10 to 15 minutes the chicken will release the oil, and you will see that water is dried up and the oil is released by the chicken. So it means the chicken is ready. So now this chicken I am going to add into the veggie stir fry. Mix it well and your chicken stir fry is ready, which you can also eat with the organo rice. The recipe of the organo rice in the description below. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please do so and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.